In today's video, we're talking about another great case outcome from our team here at the R&R Law Group. When we get good results, we like to share those with you. Many times people charged with crimes, they have no hope. They have a lot of fear. They think that there's nothing that can be done. We're here to show you that that is not the case. There's a lot that we can do, just like we did here. So today we're talking about a case that was involving leaving the scene of an accident. It's a crime in Arizona. If you are in an accident and you leave, or you don't leave a note, or you fail to stop, they charge you with the crime. That's what happened here. So if you take a look, you'll see that there are two charges on here. One is leaving the scene of an accident. That's going to be right there. And then the other one is the failure to control your speed to avoid a collision. That's just a civil violation. It's the lesser of the two. It's still 3 points. Leaving the scene of an accident, it is a class 2 misdemeanor. 6 points would be assessed on your license. It's not a good thing, especially if you have no criminal record. You don't want to start with something like this. Typically it's minor. In some situations, people know that they're in an accident, but a lot of the times they don't. In this situation, this individual was charged with 2 of them, and wasn't a good situation. He got cited into the Agua Fria Justice Court. You can see down there, it's a justice court in Maricopa County. And the judge out of there is a little bit difficult, but that's all right. Here's what we did. This individual made a good decision. They hired our law firm, and we worked this case for quite a while, a long time, especially for a misdemeanor case. Here's what the actual case record looks like. So you can see here that the original court date was in February. So February 7th, 2019. We went to court all of these different times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different court appearances, a number of different pretrial conferences there. The case was actually scheduled for trial. So it was actually going to go to trial, meaning everybody's going to get subpoenaed to come in, all the witnesses, both parties to the accident, the police officers, we would need to be there, our client would need to be there, all that stuff for both of those different charges, scheduled for trial. And then we actually never had to go to trial. It's a good thing. What we try to do is prepare our cases such that we don't actually have to go to trial. We do our work. We're so prepared. We're so ready to go that the case doesn't even actually have to go that far. And that's what happened here. So on 8/29, you can see over here, the case was dismissed. So dismissed on the motion of the court or the prosecutor on the request of the prosecutor here, and dismissed on the motion of the court or the defendant. Long story short, both cases or both charges gone. So a very good outcome, one that we thought was just. Our client deserved it. This was somebody who we wanted to keep their record clean. They didn't want any criminal conviction. We helped them make this all go away. So a lot of the time people will come into our office, they'll have no hope, but we show them that we can lay out a plan, we can go through the process, we can help them through it, and at the end of the day, we can deliver results. So this doesn't happen in every case. You have to understand this is something that is a good case outcome. I can't tell you that we can get this result on every single case. That would not be ethical, but we do great work here. So if you're facing a situation like this, if you want to speak with somebody from our team, give our office a call. We'll schedule a free case evaluation for you. We'll have you come in. We'll show you if we can get you a result similar to this or what we can do to get you an outcome that I would love to talk about. So give us a call. You have nothing to lose. We look forward to speaking with you soon, and thanks for watching.